Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. And today I have a small little nail haul. Let's get right into it. The first package I'm showing is from Nail House. I bought one acrylic in the color Sand Dollar. Next we have Luxe Galore. I bought two acrylics from her Santa Baby collection and one from her Night of Terror, which is her previous Halloween collection. Here I'm showing you that she's doing the 25 days of Christmas event where she do special offers each day. Okay, now so I saved the best for last. Next I'm showing y'all a brand called Le Monet. I ordered a total of 4 acrylics, but she did send wish list and flannel as free gifts. Alright, so here's all her information. I will make sure I leave everything in the description box for all companies down below. Alright, as I show y'all the last acrylic, next up we're going to be swatching all of the colors. So first we have Nail House Sand Dollar. It's a beautiful nude, but it also has a little bit of shimmers in it. We're going in with Wish List. It's a nice light pink that can be used for a nude. So as I was swatching this color, I noticed that this is probably one of the best consistencies I have tried from an acrylic brand so far. I know a lot of people on my channel like to use not polished or dynamic, but her acrylics is kind of in the same field as theirs, which is very perfect. Now we're going to be moving on to this color. I believe it's pronounced hibiscus. This color gives off a nice violet purple, which I don't have in my acrylic collection, which I'm happy that I chose this one. I did want to mention that usually when I swatch my acrylics, I do more of a runny bead, and please assure that her acrylics are not runny at all. Okay, so next up we have red nose, which is a gorgeous red color. Next, we have the color Heartbreaker. So now as I finish swatching Heartbreaker, I'm going to be showing you the first 5 acrylics that I swatched. And then we're going to get right into showing you the last 5 acrylics. Alright, so here we have Flannel. Alright, so you know I had to say the best for last, which is going to be Snowflake. Just watch as I swatch this color, and you'll know the reason why I bought this one. After swatching all the acrylics, Snowflake was my favorite one out of all of them. So now we're down to our last 3 acrylics, which are from Luxe Galore. Now I would like to say she probably has one of the best glitter acrylics, with Le Monet being my second favorite. And speaking of glitter acrylics, I'm not a big fan of them, but I have more glitter acrylics than I do colored acrylic, which is crazy because I buy it so much because I love their formula, and I'm still gonna buy some more anyway, especially from Le Monet. But anyways, let's get right into finish swatching these. Alright guys, as we get ready to swatch this last color, comment down below which one was your favorite. You already know Snowflake was mine from Le Monet. Alright, so here are the final 5 colors that I swatched today. And as I finished swatching all my colors, I had a Shein package come in, so I decided to throw that in also. I only got like 3 items, which was some Christmas little decoration thing, some putty, and a little stand for your press-ons, and that's about it. But anyways, as this video head to a closing, I want to know what y'all think and what would y'all like to see more on my channel besides me unboxing and swatching all the acrylics. Leave the comments down below. So now I'm finna show you all the colors. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.